Good morning. Hi, this is Travis from the National Weather Service, and this is your weather hazard briefing for Sunday, July 12th. We have a pretty active period for you. We have a windy system moving through today, upper level low to our north over Canada, southern Canada, and we will have red flag conditions today and a lesser degree tomorrow, particularly for zone 425. Will be for 410 as well, as far as winds and RH, but the fuels are not critical yet. So we didn't issue a red flag for 410 today, but we did for 425. Cooler than normal temperatures. Well, we do drop today around normal, and then we go below normal 4 to 8 degrees Monday and Tuesday, and then above normal by Thursday, Friday, back to 4 to 8 degrees above normal as a high pressure ridging builds back in. We do have a chance of thunderstorms Friday as well. So here is the low over more or less central British Columbia. That's going to just kind of move east the next couple days, and as it does, it's going to tighten the pressure gradient, and we'll get some really windy conditions this afternoon, and also Tuesday afternoon, though it's not quite as strong, as the low will be over here, and then it kind of goes out of the area by Tuesday. You can see our high pressure center is down here in the Four Corners area. It was a little bit higher. This low is kind of pushing it down a little bit, and it is definitely weakening it over our area, weakening the pressure. As far as our impacts, again, it's going to be low humidity pretty much the entire period. All our low elevations, critical values are all written on here as humidity. And then the windy will be the critical values too, above 30 for the Snake Plain and 25 for mountains. And then you can see we do have the red flag here for today. That's why that's marked orange, and we'll likely need is tomorrow for 410. It would also qualify for the Snake Plain as well, but the fuels are not quite critical yet. We'll show you that here in a minute. The humidities do get a little bit better on Wednesday, but Tuesday and Wednesday, that system passing through, but we're still kind of looking at overall critical values for these lower zones. You can see here's our hazards we have. Here's our red flag warning for zone 410, excuse me, 425, and then you can see we have just a wind advisory for the Arco Desert, and then we have a lake wind for the American Falls Reservoir for this afternoon. That will translate into fire safety concerns listed here, and then also larger waves on the American Falls Reservoir, which could capsize small boats. And then here is our fuel status. We're just near critical here, but just right at the cusp. So went ahead and issued the red flag here for 425, and again 410 is not considered critical. We are seeing some critical values into some of the Limhi Valley and the Big Lost Valleys and the lower elevations, but the critical as far as RH and winds, but again the fuels are not critical, so I did not issue red flag for those. Here's our ERCs. Here's your release component, and you can see what those are. And here's our temperatures for today, near normal, and our RHs is widespread areas below 15%, and then here's our winds above 30 is all in yellow or orange or red, so you can see widespread winds of gusts above 30. Our high temperature for Monday does drop around 4 to 8 degrees below normal, and then Monday RHs are still have areas, they've recovered some, but they still have a widespread, particularly in the eastern Magic Valley and Snake Plain, that are below critical. And you can see here's our winds. They've kind of moved down the core, but more westerly, but you see still above 30 for the eastern Magic Valley and a little bit of the Snake Plain. So we'll likely need a red flag again for eastern Magic Valley or zone 425. Here's our high temperature for Tuesday, still 4 to 8 degrees below normal. RH is still 15% or lower in the Snake Plain, eastern Magic Valley, and then it extends into the Limhi and Big Lost Valleys as well. Wind gusts for Tuesday below that 30-mile threshold, just slightly breezy as that has moved quite far east in that low pressure system. Wednesday, here's our temperatures. They start to go back up, but still below normal just a little bit. And then RHs have recovered a little bit, but still have areas below 15 in that red. And then you can see Thursday, our temperatures are back to normal, if not above normal, and our RHs recovered a little bit, but still have areas below 15. And then you can see they're even above normal for sure on Friday. Friday, our RHs do recover a little bit, just because we do have a little bit of a chance of have moisture kind of moving in, and a chance of afternoon showers and thunderstorms, but just a slight chance at this point. As a real recap, we're going to be very windy today, and at a lesser degree tomorrow, Tuesday. So we do have red flag conditions for winds above 30 in the Snake Plain, Eastern Magic Valley, as well as low RH below 15%. So we have red flag for zone 425. Didn't do 410 or the valleys of the Limb High areas and the Big Loss, just because the fuels are not critical, but cooler than normal Monday and Tuesday as that system kind of moves through, and then we have the ridge build back in from the Four Corners area Thursday and Friday and go above normal again, and then just a chance of thunderstorms also on Friday. So that concludes the brief. If you have any questions, give us a call to this number. Thanks.